Jute craft, beauty from simplicity. Welcome, dear friends, another creative and peaceful crafting sessions. Today we are diving into the very beautiful the world of jute crafts. It's sustainable, biodegradable, and art form made from one of nature's most humble yet beautiful materials, jute. We will explore what jute craft is, its benefits for your home, your health, and your mind, and how you can incredible decorations using Dollar Tree or budget friendly items. So, take a deep breath, gather your crafting tools, and let's begin the mindful journey together. Jute is a natural fiber often called the golden fiber, known for its golden brown color and smooth texture. It used in making ropes, mats, bags, wall hanging, and countless types of decoration. Jute craft means using the fiber creativity, wrapping, weaving, twisting, and shaping it into beautiful objects. You can make jute baskets, flower pots, coasters, wall art, jewelry, lampshades, and even wreath. Jute symbolizes simplicity, nature, and sustainability. In the world of plastic, full of plastic and artificial things, jute reminds us of natural beauty and peace. It connects your creativity and with the nature itself, calm, earthy, and timeless. Benefits of jute craft. Let's talk about why jute craft is so beneficial not only for decorations but also for our mental and physical well-being. When you twist and weave jute with your hands, you focus only on the texture, movement, and shape. That focus brings peace. It's a form of art therapy. Your thoughts slows down, stress fades, you begin to feel of present, relaxed, and happy. Jute is completely biodegradable and recyclable. By choosing jute, you reduce waste and help protect the environment. It's a small, beautiful step toward a greener planet. You don't need expensive materials or visit to Dollar Tree or a local craft shops. Gives you everything you need. Jute ropes, glue, cardboard, mason jars, or old bottles. Affordable crafting brings creativity to everyone, no matter the budget. Jute crafts blend perfectly with any interior, rustic, modern, or minimal. They add warmth, texture, and handmade charm to your piece. A simple jute wall hanging or table mat make your home feel cozy and artistic. Crafting keeps your hands active and your mind alert. It improves hand-eye coordination, focus, and patience, perfect for both adults and children. Now let's explore some creative and easy jute craft ideas you can make at home using Dollar Tree items or recycled materials. Take a simple plastic bowl or box. Wrap it carefully with jute rope using hot glue. Decorate with lace or simple flowers. It becomes a beautiful storage basket for keys, candles, or small plants. Use an old glass jar from Dollar Tree. Wrap the neck with jute rope. Tie a bow and add dried flowers, artificial roses. Instantly, you have a natural rustic vase. Cover a cardboard box with jute fabric or rope. Add buttons, pine cones, or pearls for a classy look. Use it as a gift box or a decorative tray for your table. Now let's talk about jute candle holders. Wrap small jars or glasses with jute. Cut out heart or star shapes on paper and stick them before wrapping. This creates glowing patterns when you light a candle inside, perfect for cozy evening. Use a wooden stick or hanger as a base. Hang jute strings and decorate with beads, feather, shells. You can even write a word like peace or love using twisted with jute rope. You can make stars, bells, or wreath from jute rope. Add pine cones, glitter, or ribbons, beautiful for holiday decoration. All these ideas can be created using Dollar Tree supplies, inexpensive yet stunning. Mindfulness during crafting. Now let's take a moment to talk about the mindfulness behind crafting. When you create with jute, you feel the fibers between your fingers. You listen to the sound of scissors, glue, and gentle wrapping. The rhythm slows your mind. It slows than just making decor or self-care. Every time you tie a knot or place a pine cone, remind yourself, I am calm, I am creative, I am connected to nature. You can even play light music like a candle and enjoy this is a peaceful routine after a long day. And that's the beauty of jute craft, simple, natural, peaceful and affordable. From Dollar Tree finds the recycled jars and boxes. You can create art that brings happiness and mindfulness into your life. Every piece you make carries your energy, your patience, your imagination, your love.